We're getting ready to set the floor joist for the master bedroom addition. And whenever you tie an addition into an existing floor, you want to make sure that the floors line up with each other. So this band right here, we're going to put up to the height of the existing subfloor because the floor that's in there has hardwood floors on top of it. So it's 3/4 of an inch higher than what this subfloor is going to be. So if we line up this band with this subfloor here, when we put our 3/4 inch subfloor out here where the master bedroom addition is, it'll line up with the hardwood floor that's inside. And then we're going to put a laminate floor on top of all of that, or tile in the bathroom, one or the other. So we're putting this band up here, flush with the subfloor inside the existing house, and we should get this all framed in today, hopefully. So we'll see.
Fingers crossed.
Good.
I'm not lifting them up. I'm just lining them up left to right. Do I need to lift them up?
You just need to make sure that they're not like this. They're maybe straight like this.
Because those are all low. Well, that one's low anyway.
Oh gosh.
I need to be on that side. Hold on. Get the boss coming. I better get it. I need to come sooner than that? Oh, do I need to leave now? I mean, you can write a list off. Do I need to come home now? All right. Out of here. I mean,
See ya.
gotta love that. Let's get these blocks in and I'll leave.
Oh man.
Here we have Nikki putting in the joist hangers for the 2x10. Palm nailer.
This is a new one. I haven't used this one until today. So you basically, it's like a little magnet, and it just sticks right on in there. And then once you push on it, it's like a hammer.
There you go.
Yeah,
Keeps you from beating your fingers.
that's right.
Here's Billy actually putting on the floor joist. And then Nikki comes back with the palm nailer and nails it.